Welcome to Best Choice. The Best South Park figure set is probably one of the most iconic and beloved collectibles for any true fan of the show, offering a fantastic way to bring the hilarious and often outrageous world of South Park right into your own home with these meticulously crafted figures that capture the essence of your favorite characters. Whether you're a longtime admirer of Cartman's schemes, Stan's moral compass, Kyle's exasperation, or Kenny's unfortunate demise, this set provides a tangible piece of the animated magic that has entertained millions for decades, making it an essential addition to any fan's collection or a perfect gift for that special someone who can't get enough of the foul-mouthed, satirical brilliance. Number 5. Space Jam, a new Legacy LeBron James action figure. Bring all the on-court action from Space Jam, a new legacy into your home with this incredible action figure. Get ready for some serious fun. This LeBron James action figure stands a huge 12 inches tall. It's the perfect size to dominate your collection. Press his chest to hear over 8 sounds and phrases straight from the movie. Relive your favorite moments with authentic audio. This articulated figure is ready for any adventure you can imagine. Pose him in dynamic action stances for epic play. It comes with 4 cool accessories that easily attach to his body. Customize his look and enhance the play experience. What we like. This action figure brings the movie to life with its impressive size and interactive features. If you're a fan of the movie and love to recreate scenes with sound effects, this is the perfect choice for you. It's ideal for collectors and kids who enjoy imaginative play. What people say. The figures are well made and detailed, capturing the essence of the characters. The set includes all the main characters, making it a great collectible for fans. The articulation on the figures allows for various poses and display options. Number 4. LEGO Ideas 123, Sesame Street Building Kit. Relive your childhood memories with this iconic LEGO Ideas set. It's a fantastic build and display model that brings the beloved 123, Sesame Street to life. You can recreate scenes with your favorite characters like Elmo, Cookie Monster, Bert, and Ernie. It also includes Big Bird and Oscar the Grouch, along with many other fun figures. Explore the detailed interiors of Elmo's bedroom and Bert and Ernie's apartment. You'll find authentic details and accessories that fans will adore. The fun extends beyond the main building to include Hooper's store and Big Bird's nest. This 1,367-piece kit offers hours of quality time for yourself or with family. Measuring over 9 inches high, this impressive model is perfect for display. It makes an excellent gift for any Sesame Street enthusiast or LEGO collector. What we like. This LEGO set is a nostalgic trip back to Sesame Street, perfect for adults and families. If you're looking for a detailed display piece that sparks fond memories, this is it. It's a great way to spend quality time building and reminiscing. What people say. The figures are well made and detailed, capturing the essence of the characters. The set includes all the main characters, making it a great collector's item. The articulation on the figures allows for dynamic posing and display. Number 3. South Park Towelie Cotton Hand Towel. Take advice from Towelie and keep your hands clean with this exclusive cloth towel. You don't want to catch a cold after all. This hilarious home decor features the despised Towelie as a real dish towel. He might be the worst character ever, but at least this towel will keep your hands dry. Made of 100% soft cotton fabric, this reusable hand towel is highly absorbent and perfect for staying dry or cleaning up around your space. Whether you are tidying up the kitchen or cleaning up messes, this quick-dry washcloth will come in handy. For the best care, machine wash cold and tumble dry low. Get into a little trouble with this officially licensed South Park hand towel featuring Towelie. Makes an excellent gift for any fan of the hit animated comedy series. What we like. This is not just any towel, it's a piece of South Park humor for your home. If you appreciate quirky collectibles and need a functional, quick-drying towel, this is a fantastic option. It's perfect for fans who want to add a touch of their favorite show to their kitchen or bathroom. What people say. The figures are well made and detailed, capturing the likeness of the characters perfectly. The set includes all the main characters, which is great for fans of the show. They are a good size for display and play, not too small or too large. Number 2. South Park Goth Kid Henrietta Plush Pillow Buddy. Introducing the super soft Henrietta Pillow Buddy, your ultimate companion for comfort and coziness. Made from 100% polyester microfiber, it's perfect for decor or self-care. This fun-sized pillow buddy is designed to be a main character in your home. It's easy to care for, just spot clean when needed. Great for all ages, this pillow buddy is perfect for young plush lovers, comedy fans, or even yourself. Anyone who loves the show will enjoy this piece of South Park. Enhance your bedroom with our other South Park products. Coordinating bedding and accessories are available to complete the look. As a small, family-run company, we take pride in offering high-quality, non-toxic products and excellent customer service. We value our wonderful customers. What we like. This plush pillow buddy offers ultimate comfort and a fun way to display your love for South Park. If you're seeking a cozy companion for your room or a unique gift for a fan, this is an excellent pick. It's perfect for lounging, decorating, or cuddling. What people say. The figures are well made and detailed, capturing the likeness of the characters perfectly. The set includes all the main characters, making it a great collectible for any South Park fan. The articulation on the figures allows for various poses, adding to the playability and display options. Number 1. South Park Goth Kid Michael Plush Pillow Buddy. Experience ultimate comfort and support with this incredibly soft pillow buddy. Made from 100% polyester microfiber, it's perfect for lounging, decorating, or simply relaxing. This pillow buddy is designed to be a fun-sized companion for everyone. Its playful design and size make it a great addition to any room for fans of all ages. If you're a fan of the beloved show, South Park, you'll love having a piece of it with you. It's the perfect way to bring your favorite characters into your home. Enhance your South Park-themed room by exploring our collection. We have coordinating bedding and accessories available to perfectly match your new pillow buddy. As a family-run company, we are dedicated to providing high-quality, non-toxic products. We take pride in our customer service and believe our products are a reflection of that commitment. What we like. This character pillow buddy brings a touch of South Park's Goth Kids to your space with its super soft texture. If you're a fan looking for a smaller, yet equally comforting, decorative item, this is a great choice. It's ideal for adding personality to a bedroom or dorm. What people say. The figures are well made and detailed, capturing the likeness of the characters perfectly. The set includes all the main characters, making it a great collector's item. The articulation on the figures allows for various poses and playability. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.